Hey guys, welcome to making more videos again. Today guys, we are going to Alberto's place because we're going to be installing the LED motion light at his house. So without further ado, let's get to it. So before we do that, let's just do a quick unboxing real quick. Looks like Simba wants to help, guys. I don't want to go through the whole unboxing. Let me see if Stradman's snapping magic actually works. And there you have it. That's what you get in a package minus Simba. You have some literature right here, step-by-step manual on how to actually install this bad boy. You have some more literature right here. You have some accessories right here that you will require, you might require, depending on how you install this bad boy. And last but not least, the behemoth of a motion-activated LED light, guys. It is huge. Look at my hand. So you can definitely tell this is a pretty nice size. Now, it does have quad LEDs on both of these pods right here, so a total of 8 LEDs. Now, in terms of the actual motion detector, this is the motion detector. These are the 2 pods. You have a bunch of functions on here. In terms of modes, you have a test mode, an auto mode, an on-time mode, and then a D2D mode. And then when you look at the bottom right here, you also have a bunch of stuff. This is the control knob for brightness sensitivity. You have the control knob for time, and then last but not least, range. And then on the back right here, installation is gonna be really simple, guys. All it is 3 wires. In this case, at Alberto's house, he has an old motion detector light. He wants to get rid of it and go to white LEDs like this. So it's gonna be easy just to plug and play, remove this bad boy, put the new guy in, and done. So now that we know everything about this, the rest are instructions about all these knobs and stuff, all the detail, tedious detail stuff that I don't want to just bore you guys out with are going to be in the instructions manual. So don't worry about that. Let's go actually install this bad boy and see what we're here to see, how bright this thing can actually get. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, we're at Alberto's place right now and you can see him, he's up there ready to take the old crap out and we're gonna put the new stuff. There you go, you got the old crap. What are you you just gonna leave it in there? Yeah. Alright. You wanna give you the new one? Yeah. There you go, Alberto. Damn, Alberto is so bright, dude. Alright, Alberto, on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy was that?
10.
No, 10 being the hardest, dude.
Oh, 10 being the hardest. Zero.
Zero? It really was, right? It was pretty easy.
Yeah.
It is so bright, dude. I can't wait to see how it looks at night. So all you have to do is just put those 3 wires and then screw it on, right?
Yeah, the black bar.
Yeah. Holy crap, guys. It is so bright out there. It's ridiculous. Not even kidding you. Can't wait to get to a little bit darker and let's see how it looks. Alrighty guys, we actually installed this on Alberto's quote-unquote junkyard number 2. Absolutely the brightest anyone has ever seen his junkyard, guys. It is insane. We used to have yellow bulbs in this from Home Depot that were supposed to be the brightest, for garage light and stuff, but it is nothing compared to these. Nothing. I'm not even kidding you. Like, you see the light. Seeing is believing. Now, I do know there is an LED behind me right here. However, that doesn't take away from the fact that this thing is insanely bright. It's on the 2nd story and it still produces that much light. Normally speaking, you probably have it, on the 1st story, above your garage or something like that, and it would do adequately fine and it would be insanely bright. However, he wanted to cover a larger area, so he put it on a 2nd story and it's still insane. I love it. He loves it, guys. It is absolutely just awesome. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase a motion LED is going to be in the description section of the video below. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Can you just hear saying thanks for watching and peace.